Hey gang, wanting to give you a little bit of a review today on the Prextex 6-foot flocked Christmas tree. We picked this up getting ready for Christmas, and thought I'd let you know a little bit about it. Now there's a lot of things I like about this tree, but one thing that you need to be aware of at the end. Overall, this tree goes together super easily, slides and locks right in. It's pretty clear on how to put it together without issue. Second thing is there are a ton of branches on this. I think they said there's like 1,200 tips on this. It makes it look so full and so good. It does come with a base for ease of use as well. And one of the things I absolutely love is, unlike other flocked Christmas trees I've had, each branch was completely separated. None of them were sticking together because of the flocking, which was a very, very nice surprise, honestly. Now, the one thing I didn't love is it does shed a ton. Now, most of your flocked trees do, but this one seemed to shed a little bit more than your normal flock tree, but I will take that any day over branches that are just stuck together because of their flocking. Overall, absolutely love this. Looks great. 5 out of 5 stars. If you're looking for a good flocked tree, I think this is the way to go.